Hello, guys. Welcome to the series of solid, liquid, and gases. Today we'll be talking about melting, but with a particle model. Here are the keywords, and these are more detailed. So, melting is when an object or substance changes from a solid state to a liquid state. The melting point of your substance is the thermal temperature at which it changes from the solid state to a liquid state. The forces of attractions, they hold particles together. In a solid state, the particles are in a regular arrangement. However, in a liquid state, the particles are in a random arrangement. So, for now, we'll be doing forces of attraction. In a solid state and liquid state, particles in a substance are held together by forces of attraction. These forces of attraction act in all directions. So you can see that the solid state, the particles are like straight, vertically straight and horizontally straight. The liquid state is just everywhere. Which statement is correct about the forces of attraction between particles? Is it A, it acts in one direction only, B, it acts in all directions, or C, there are no forces of attraction between particles? The answer is B. Why do you think that is? It is due to the principle of the conservation of energy. The particles in the solid state do not have enough energy to overcome the forces of attraction between all the other particles. Particles that are in a solid state are in a regular arrangement and kept in a fixed position by the forces of attraction. They cannot move around, they can only vibrate. As you can see, it's vibrating in this picture. Who do you agree with? Sam says, in a solid state, the forces of attraction are so strong that the particles are in a fixed position and can only vibrate. Then we have Alex that says, there are no forces of attraction between particles in a solid state. John says, particles are free to move past each other in the solid state. Sam is correct, because in a solid state, the forces of attraction are so strong, the particles in a fixed position can only vibrate. It's probably because of the tightness that it's causing. Select the correct words and phrase from the list below to complete the sentences. Words and phrases can be used more than once. 1. Particles are held together by forces of. 2. Forces of can act in. 3. In a solid state, particles by forces of. 4. The particles enough energy to move past other particles. So these are the points. So these are the answers. So this is the right answer. Particles are held together by forces of attraction. Forces of attraction act in all directions. In a solid state, particles are held in a fixed position by forces of attraction. The particles do not have enough energy to move past other particles. Okay, unfortunately, we're going to have to conclude it there. Thanks for watching.